Hey guys, Glen Murray online. How are you? Wow, these lights are really bright, aren't they? Let's see if I can fix this. I didn't realize it till. That's better. No, I want to go that way. How are you guys? All right, my name is Glen Murray. This is Glen Murray Online. This is my YouTube channel, and it's about making money online. And today is the secret of online success. Basically, how to make money online. Now, you're going to be surprised because it's really simple, but it's not that easy to do. And a lot of people make it way more complicated than it is, and they try to do all these things. And it's crazy because so many people are training all these different tips and techniques and stuff like that, but it really comes down to one thing. And stick around to the end because I have a really cool special offer for you. If you want to get started today, if you like what I'm talking about and you want to get started, I'm going to take about 10 minutes and explain it to you. Okay, so first off, if you like videos on making money, make sure you hit subscribe. And let's get into the secret of online success, making money, and how you're going to do it. So how do you make money online? Of course, you're selling stuff, right? Like that's how money is made. You're monetizing it. You're either selling your blog space for ads, right? So let's say you work in getting this blog, and for a blog to monetize, realistically, guys, you're looking at, if you work really hard, you're looking at about 9 months. But more realistically, it's about 2 years for a blog to really start monetizing itself, where you're putting a lot of content on it daily, or at least 3 or 4 or 5 times a week, and then you're going to monetize it. So that's one way, but still you're kind of selling ad space, right? The other thing, and this is where I like, is selling affiliate programs and selling basically education affiliate programs are really good. Selling network marketing products are really great. Doing drop shipping in Amazon, although it's very, very, very competitive right now. If if you're really dedicated, you can make money there. And then there's the other things, like there's the online trading platforms, which I don't deal with. A lot of those are Ponzi schemes. So I think you want to stick with your pure affiliate offers, because once you start figuring out how to make affiliate offers work, you can promote a lot of things. I'm going to show you a bunch of websites that I promote once I have the marketing in place. Once I have my target market that I want to show these websites to, then I'll show you what they do. And these websites that I can send out to them, they have potential to make thousands of dollars of commissions from a single sale, right? So you can make a lot of money, but you have to start with the right base. All right, guys? So what is that correct base? The secret is, guys, is you have to make a list. It doesn't matter what you're selling. You need to make a list. Why do you think whenever you go to a website, any website, they pop up a window and they say, hey, put in your email here for your 20% discount. You go to Bed Bath & Beyond or go to Walmart or whatever. They immediately ask you for their email. Why are they doing that? Because they know they need an email list. They want you on their email list. They want to be able to send you offers. Simple. You may be going, well, I sell a weight loss product. Right. But your company is always coming out with new products. If they're not, then they're going to be stale. So those new products, you want to be able to email those people that maybe don't sign up for your business opportunity or don't sign up to be a customer. You want to be able to market them the minute something comes out. But you don't want to just do it like that. Like, you don't want to have a list where, and this is really important, guys. You don't want to have a list that you only sporadically email to, because they won't pay any attention to you. They don't know who you are. What you need to do, and this is for anything, is you have to start creating rapport, right? So if you're doing educational affiliate products, maybe you're done software products, those kind of things, you want to be emailing everybody. You want to be emailing your list every single day, right? Even if it's just reaching out, giving them some content tips or something, or just making sure that you're present. Because what happens is the more your emails go into their inbox and they open them, the higher your email rating goes, and you can keep just basically building up that email. Now, a couple important things. Make sure you're using a reputable autoresponder, right? Because the IP address where your email is coming from, don't use your Gmail account, of course, and get a domain name. Because the longer the domain name has been around and has been emailing, the better deliverability it is, okay? So you're going, well, what do you mean? You just send emails and make money? Yeah, that's the simple part of it. Is it easy? No, you have to write emails every day. You have to build a list, but and here's what I was getting at. So building a list is usually this. You create a website, you attract people to that website by creating content. They land on your website, and then a pop-up comes up and says, hey, we want more information about this, or download my free XYZ. Maybe you're selling travel packages, or you're selling a travel or marketing thing or something, right? So you'd pop up like, hey, download my 10 things you never want to forget when you travel guide, right? Just a one-page PDF, and people are like, yeah. They punch in their email, they get the one page, and like, toothbrush, underwear, or whatever it is, right? Sunscreen, I don't know. A jacket, I don't know what it is, but if I'm not in the travel industry, but basically that was, you give it to them, now you've got their email. Now you can start to create a relationship with them, right? Tell them about where are hot places to travel, what's cool to see, how to travel on a budget. Hey, you wrote a new blog post. Hey, I put up a new video, right? Hey, I have this great program where you can, join, and it's $199 a year, and you get XYZ or whatever it is, right? So you start marketing them to them that way, because you only have to get that lead to your page once, and then you continue to, basically the saying is, they're going to buy until they unsubscribe, right? Basically, they buy or unsubscribe. They just keep going. So you just keep emailing them. Now, I'm going to show you a couple pages here that so what I do is I use a generic. I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, first off, I'm going to show you how I build my list, and you can have this system, guys. This system can be yours. It does cost some money, but what you pay and what you get out of it is like pennies on the dollar. Okay, so I use a page like this, right? And this is what I use to attract opportunity seekers. So we make $1,000 per day, 3-in-1 income streams. Where do we send your income? Boom. Now, how do I get people to this page? I actually pay for the traffic to go to this page, right? It costs me anywhere $1 to $2 for someone to click on it. So it ends up costing me probably about $10 per acquisition of a lead, right? But now I have that lead. Now from that single lead, I can market multiple things to them. So for example, how about this? This, I could send them an email and say, hey, you clicked on my we make $1,000. I've got emails, of course, that are already scripted to do this. XYZ, hey, you want to know how to start a profitable online business today? Boom, I can send them this. Well, this program that I'm sending them, this thing turns out anywhere from $18 or actually $2.70 up to $1,000 commission, plus recurring in other programs if they go into the whole system. So it can turn out to be about like over $1,000 commissions on the front end first couple sales, and then it can turn into a residual of about $60-$70 per month for one. So I'm happy to pay $10 for a lead that I can sell into this. Well, I'm not only selling them into that, I can also sell them into traffic. Want traffic that will actually buy your stuff? This traffic is screaming red hot. Now, if they click here and they join this program, I can start making $88 on them per month. If they join this program here, I can make, $50, $60 plus $68 plus they have traffic packages, which I get to participate in the commissions on, and those go up to $3,200 commissions. Actually, there's one higher than that, but I'm not qualified for it, but a $3,200 commission from one sale, guys. There's also this one. So, and I've just made 3 sales in this one today. I sent out an email to my list and I made 3 sales, which each sale is worth $88. So this is 100% free software. So they can have a free version. Like I'll show you what it looks like. So they get taken here. Now they can set up their free account. Now what happens is they start getting marketed to upgrade their account, because a free account is fine, but if you really want to get the full benefit of this program, it'll cost you monthly, right? So that's where you make money there. That's that one. What else is there? There's this page. Oh, so this one's really cool too. So I could send them to one of these links. Now, if I send them to this funnel, right, the potential to earn on each one I send to this is $264. So what I would do is like, hey guys, thanks for joining my list. I just wanted to get you, there's this awesome book that every marketer needs. It's the .com Secrets. It's a $10 book. You get it sent to you or whatever it is, right? And there's a bunch of these. So I can send to these people any of these programs, right? There's also, you know what? I'm going to put these links below so you can go check them out for yourself. You can check out the programs, and I'll put some links down there so you can go through the funnels. You won't have to buy anything because you'll see well, unless you want to, of course, but you can see how the funnels work and you can see how list building is so important. So what do we use for our list builder? We actually use this program, like I said at the beginning. And why is this so great? It's because this is a viral generic, it's basically a generic list builder. And so once they come in on that email or they come in on that list, it goes into my autoresponder and I can start marketing to them anything. And because it's kind of a generic opportunity, I can actually offer them a whole bunch of different offers. I can offer them software, which is that one, the free software, right? It's a software suite. I can offer them a complete done for you marketing system. I can offer them education in network marketing. I can offer them education in marketing, and all of these are affiliate offers. And this is the secret of how you do it. Now, you don't just do it once, right? You keep hitting your list. Like that free traffic one that I sent out today, I had sent out an email probably about 5 weeks ago to my list and made a few sales back then. Now remember, those sales actually turn into recurring sales. So each $88 sale is then paying me monthly. So that's why I'm doing it every 5 weeks. Like I'll have a cycle go through. I'll make commission. So that commission, that monthly commission there is growing every single month. So I just keep adding to it. I keep adding more people go in there. They sign up for free. They sign up for free. Maybe I'll get each email, and maybe I'll get 15 people signing up for free. And then over the course of 2 or 3 weeks, as they're marketed to, 2 or 3 of them will upgrade. So it'll be another, $240 for that month, and then that'll be a recurring payment every month, right? Or it's every month or every 3 months. I can't remember what the deal is. I think they have a 3-month thing. Anyways, that's the secret to making money online. Now, what I want to do for you, if you do want to start building your list, because that's what you need to do, forget everything else you're doing right now. Focus on building your list, and focus from September now till the end of the year. And don't chase anything shiny. Don't try to promote any new programs. Just use this one program, the very first link, and start building your list, and build your list till Christmas time. You are going to see incredible results. Now, if you're going, well, how do you do it, Glenn? It's all in there. Don't worry. Go to sign up for the link, right? Go to the Fast Start guide and just follow the steps. It's very, very simple. You can be up and going in about 20 minutes and have your whole system set up. Boom, buy some traffic, point the traffic at it, and you will start seeing the leads start coming in. And my leads right now are generated. It's doing, for a sale there, it's anywhere from about 40 to 65 leads turn a sale. That sale then becomes, remember, I have all the leads that I'm marketing to my other stuff. Those sales then become recurring sales, and actually I can start getting leads because of the way that this system is created. I actually start getting leads from those leads because it's called a pass up viral system. So each 5 leads, I get a lead passed up, right? Every 5 sales, I get a sale passed up. Do I do the same? Yeah, I pass up every 5 leads, but I'm getting them. So it all works out in the end. And so I just want to keep building and building and building this list. There's other components to it where you make other money. There's other streams of income where you can make up to $3,200 commissions on traffic. And, you can make commissions on the autoresponder. So that is the secret to making money online. Build your list. Now, if you're already building your list and you already have something in place, this may be a great supplement for that. Maybe you're maybe you're not getting enough traffic to your landing page, or your landing page is just not converting enough. You know, you're driving traffic. Maybe you're already paying for traffic. The traffic we're providing, that I buy, is, I think, the best converting traffic that I've seen. It's also the most active traffic that I've seen. So what you want to do is use this system as well to then, once you get leads into the system, you can then market your system, whatever you're selling, to them as well, right? Exactly what I'm doing. So I just take the leads as they come in, and then I start marketing them into other programs, because this system is also already is marketing them to join this system as well. So it's actually the best funnel I have ever seen. It is like, it's crazy. It's once they become a lead, the conversion rate is insane. It's like I said, like I'm getting anywhere from every 40 to 60 leads becomes a sale. But remember, those leads, there's now leads that are coming after the email campaign is dripping. So I don't know the exact stats right now. But anyway, that's what I have for you. Check it out, and I'll put those other links in there for you to check out. And also, just leave me a comment if there's something in the video that you saw and you're like, Glenn, what is that thing? I want to know what that is. Just message me, and we can have a conversation. I'm easy to get a hold of. I'm on Skype, I'm on Messenger, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. So I do ask you just to reach out and ask if you have any questions at all. Now remember, hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I make my next video. And that's it, guys. I want to see you rocking this program from now till December. All right, guys, cheers.